Kim Hosey here at the Shiloh Museum. I'm standing here with our 1880s apple peeler, and today I'm going to give you a little demonstration about how this apple peeler works. With 3 turns of the handle, you would be able to completely core and peel your apple. You start off by placing the apple on the 3 prongs. Then as you turn the handle, the razor blade would cut off the skin of the apple, and the corer would then take the core out of the middle of the apple. Apple peelers were used because they made the process of peeling and coring apples more efficient. Apples became a very popular crop around the early 1880s when you have the first railroad coming through northwest Arkansas. Because of the railroads, people were now able to ship their apples all across the country instead of hauling them by wagon. One of the reasons why apples were such an important crop is because you could eat them in so many different ways. You could bake them into a pie, eat them fresh, you could even drink them as a cider. Or if you want to preserve them and save them for later use, you could send them off to a cannery or evaporator plant. Another important thing about shipping your apples on the trains is that some railroad cars were actually refrigerated, which means they were able to keep your apples cool while they were being transported from one place to another. Around this time period, you also see the rise in other products associated with the apple industry. For example, barrels.